Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure spending controls on your Capital One card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure spending controls on your Capital One card, begin by opening the Capital One mobile app or visiting the website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option labeled Spending Controls or Manage Spending. Click on this option to access the spending control features. You will see a list of available controls such as setting transaction limits or defining categories. Select the control you wish to set up, for example, establishing a monthly limit on your spending. Enter the desired amount for your spending limit. If applicable, choose specific categories where you want to apply restrictions, like dining, shopping, or transportation. Review your settings to ensure they reflect your preferences. Once you are satisfied, confirm your changes by clicking the Save or Apply button. You may receive a notification confirming that your spending controls have been successfully configured. If you have multiple Capital One cards, repeat these steps for each card as needed. Periodically review your spending controls to ensure they align with your financial goals. Adjust the settings as necessary to keep your budget on track. Remember, these controls can help you manage your finances more effectively. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having control over your spending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.